Hi Bailey, I'm going to check out your site. My computer, the fan is going a little high. I hope you can hear it. So I'm on a laptop, which is a very common um, platform, so to speak, for people to use these days. And I'm glad I'm making this video because it's important that you see what's going on with your name. And if I try to scale, I just think they're too far apart. So consider moving the right side in a little bit. I hadn't adjusted my URL window at all today. I just opened it. So that is the end result. But, I mean, the front page looks great. I like the great picture of you. You look very friendly, like a contemporary, young, knowledgeable student. I like this fun little treatment. It's interesting because on another kind of site this would look like busy decoration, but it works really well for you. And I think it might be because of the all caps and black and then the nice light green. It's just a good combination. Whoa, man. All right, scrolling down. Did you see that? That was strange, wasn't it? Okay. Yeah. What is that? Okay. And all right, so you're having some issues with where the type is showing up. Everything seems to be off the axis a little bit here. So obviously, instead of a link to Behance, you're going to show it in here on this website. That's an interesting example, but it's crossing out your work. So I'm not sure that's a good idea, but I do like how your work shows up. So I wouldn't bother with this. I would take a few samples and about me and put them all together on one page. I do love a good Behance page, but people are on your site to see what you are showing. As a modern day designer, you should have a portfolio on your website. Okay, I've looked at all this stuff before. Good to have a button. All this looks good. I do recommend, see, yeah, that's an image. I recommend using live text instead of an image, because people will copy and paste off of a website directly. And then also, if you use an image, it doesn't always interpret very well onto a phone or an iPad, which a lot of people look at. Now, if you have any control over the type style, see, this is serif. If you could make it sans serif throughout, I think it would all sort of match better. Anyway, this is a good start. I think you just have to tweak a little bit, move everything over to the right a bit, and really think about these bars. Consider making them white if you have that control. Right? But, on the whole, I think you're going in a good direction. Bye.